Do you have friends or family living in another country? If so, how do you keep in touch with them? The journey of a letter is a fascinating one, especially when it's traveling across the globe. It all begins with you, the sender, purchasing a stamp. The cost of this stamp is determined by the weight of the letter and its destination. Once you've got your stamp, it's time to send your letter on its way. The letter's journey can take many forms depending on how far it needs to go. If it's a long-distance trip, your letter will travel by airmail, soaring high above the clouds. For shorter distances, your letter will take a more grounded route, traveling by road, rail, or even sea. Throughout its journey, your letter will pass through various hands, from the postal workers who sort it to the delivery person who brings it to its final destination. This is the journey a letter undertakes. But let's look at a specific example. Consider Rashid, who's written a letter to his cousin in Australia. Rashid takes his letter to the post office, where the friendly clerk stamps it correctly for its long journey. It then finds its way to the main sorting office, where it's hand-sorted and bundled with other letters bound for Australia. Then it's off to the airport by van, ready for its aerial adventure. Upon arrival down under, it's unloaded, whisked to a local sorting office, and finally, the local postman delivers the letter to Rashid's cousin. Now, not all letters have to travel as far as Rashid's letter did. Regardless of their destination, the basic system remains the same. Every letter has a journey, whether it's crossing borders or just moving within your town. Each letter, as long as it's properly addressed and paid for, can find its way to any corner of the globe. The Postal Service ensures this, acting as a reliable bridge between you and the world. Remember, the Postal Service plays a vital role in connecting us with our loved ones, no matter how far they may be.